Faut faire par chronologie. Drake, cette nuit, il a sorti Family Matters en réponse à... Family Matters, hop. Ensuite, à Kendrick. Mythe de Graham. Hop. Et ensuite, encore avant, t'as le son sur Insta. Mais on va faire que ces deux sons déjà. Ok, du coup c'est dans cet ordre-là. Drake qui répond à... comment ça s'appelle, à Euphoria. Euphoria, globalement. Non mais Euphoria, j'ai déjà écouté et tout. Donc en vrai, si vous voulez, je peux refaire Euphoria, en vrai, ça me dérange pas. Hein. Euphoria.
Euphoria.
En vrai, c'est 6 minutes. Attends, je vais sortir Genius à côté. Hop.
Them superpowers get neutralized. I can only watch in silence. The famous actor we once knew is looking paranoid and now spiraling.
Est-ce que ça se traduit bien en français ou pas Oh putain, il y a tellement... Il y a tellement de bars, les gars. Mais comment tu peux faire pour analyser tout ça? Moi, franchement, de ce que j'ai pris, hein. Les gars, vraiment. Hein. Premier son, vas-y, on écoute.
Like a degenerate, heavy antic is
feeling
distasteful. Why calculate you not as calculated? I can even predict your angle. Fabricating stories on the...
Attends, on va prendre Euphoria. Ok, voilà.
Euphoria. Them superpowers get neutralized. I can only watch in silence. The famous actor we once knew is looking paranoid and now spiraling. You're moving just like a degenerate. Heavy antic is feeling distasteful. Why calculate you not as calculated? I can even predict your angle. Fabricating stories on the family front, cause you heard Mr. Morale. A pathetic master manipulator. I can smell the tails on you now. You're not a rap artist, you're a scam artist with the hopes of being accepted. Tommy Hilfiger stood out, but FUBU never had been your collection. I make music that electrify 'em. You make music that pacify 'em. I can double down on that line, but spare you this time. That's random acts of kindness. Know you're a master manipulator.
Les autres, je les ai pas écoutés. Celle-là, j'ai déjà écouté.
No lie about me, and I won't tell truth about you.
Chou. Chou. Je sais pas si la traduction, elle va être gaze, hein. La traduction, elle va être éclatée, hein.
Yeah, I'm out the way, yeah, I'm low, okay. Yeah, the island right here is remote, okay. I ain't thinking about no reaper. Nigga, I'm reaping what I sow, okay. Got a Benjamin and a Jackson all in my house, like I'm Joe, okay. Hellcat, met his homeboys and them types LA solo, okay. Everybody wanna be demon till they get chipped by your throwaway. And I might do a show a day. Once a lame, always a lame. Oh, you thought the money, the power of fame will make you go away. Have you ever played? Have you ever? Okay, nigga, let's play. Have you ever?
C'est une dinguerie, un mec. De lui dire, hé, mon gars, peu importe l'argent, tout ce que tu veux dans ta vie que t'auras, ça changera pas et que t'es un bouffon, que t'aies du pouvoir, de l'argent, des abdos, on s'en bat les couilles. T'es un bouffon, tu restes un bouffon. Ça, cette histoire de Have you ever paid 500,000 to like an open case? C'est, je crois, en référence à... Attends, on va redire. Mais je crois que c'est en référence à qu'il a payé une meuf 500 000 pour qu'elle ferme sa bouche. Alors, attends. Est-ce que c'est ça? Il l'inclut, il talking about clear... Ok. De meaning... Ouais, voilà. Parce que Drake, il a payé une meuf qui était accusé d'agression sexuelle par une meuf. Et il lui a payé 350 000... Enfin, il a payé 350 000. Bref, je sais pas. Moi, c'est ce que j'ai vu sur Twitter. Je suis pas sûr si c'est le cas ou quoi.
Laugh, and I feel that both, but I came out straight. I hate when I rap or talk about guns, then somebody die, they turn into nuns, then I hop online like pray for my city, he faking for likes and digital hugs. His daddy a killer, he wanna be junior, they must have forgot the shit that they done. Dementia must run in his family, but let it get shaky. I park your son. The very first time I shot me a Drake, the homie had told me to aim it this way. I didn't point down enough. Today I show you I learned from those mistakes. Somebody had told me that you got a ring. On God, I'm ready to double the wage. I'd rather do that than let a Canadian nigga make Pac turn in his grave. Cut the finish, you got.
Là, il parle de... Parce que juste avant, il a utilisé les... il a utilisé, tu sais, les Tupac AI avec Snoop Dogg, là. Il a utilisé l'intelligence artificielle pour Tupac et Snoop Dogg.
His grave. Cut the finish, you got shit twisted. What is it, the brakes? I hurt your feelings, you don't work with me no more. Okay. There's 3 ghosts left and I see 2 of them kissing and hugging on stage. I love.
Là, il parle de J. Cole et de Drake, du coup.
Deaf, and then 8 bars, I'll explain that phrase. It's not nobody can tell me. I don't wanna talk on no celly. You know I got language barriers. It's no accent you can sell me. You're Cole and Ivory know I'm a selfish nigga. The crown is heavy. I pray they my real friends. If not, I'm YNW Melly. I don't like you popping shit at Pharrell. For him, I inherit the beef. Yeah, fuck all that pushing P. Let me see you push a T. You better off spinning again on him. You think about pushing me. He's Terrence Thornton, I'm Terrence Crawford. Yeah, I'm whooping feet. We ain't gotta get personal, this a friendly fade. You should keep it that way. I know some shit about niggas that make gonna wanna look like a.
J'ai remarqué depuis le 10, tout le monde déteste Drake. Non! Déjà, Drake, il est plus populaire que Kendrick au global. C'est une bagarre, frère. S'il perd le bif, il perd le bif. Les bifs comme ça entache ta carrière. Hein. Si à la fin du bif, il n'y a pas un des deux de sa carrière, elle est entachée, le bif, il a servi à rien. Non, Drake, c'est un bon artiste. Kendrick, c'est un bon artiste. Là, maintenant, ils sont en embrouille. C'est tout, ils sont en embrouille. Il faut qu'il y ait un gagnant, c'est tout.
Ain't been about critics, not about gimmicks, not about who the greatest. It's always been about love and hate. Now let me say I'm the biggest hater. I hate the way that you walk, the way that you talk. I hate the way that you dress. I hate the way that you sneak this. If I catch flight, it's gonna be direct. We hate the bitches you fuck, cause they confuse themselves with real women. Then notice I said we, it's not just me, I'm what the culture feeling. How many more fairy tale stories about your life till we had enough? How many more black features till you finally feel that you're black enough? I like Drake with the melodies. I don't like Drake when he act tough. You gon' make a nigga bring back Puff. Let me see if Chubbs really crash something. You're my first one, like my last one.
Non, c'est pour un projet en commun. Ah non, ils se détestent vraiment. Hein. Ils se détestent vraiment. Et là, le point le plus, enfin, on va dire le plus important du 10, c'est il parle de Drake en disant que c'est un... Aux États-Unis, ils appellent ça culture vulture. Ça veut dire les vautours, des mecs qui sont en dehors de la culture rap américaine et qui viennent et qui se l'approprient. En gros, ils disent que Drake, en gros, il s'est fait éduquer par sa mère blanche juive, etc. Pas par du côté de son père, et que il essaye de se rapproprier son côté noir, etc. Et se faire passer pour un mec de la culture en s'appropriant, en gros. En gros, il parle de ça. C'est pour ça, là, il dit combien de feats avec des noirs il te faut encore pour que tu te sentes que tu sois assez noir, genre. Tu te sens assez noir. Combien de featuring avec des noirs tu dois faire pour te sentir finalement assez noir, genre. Mais là, c'est vraiment... les gars, je vais en surface, hein. Chaque truc, il y a Genius. Mais les gars, je vais pas faire 50... Frère, regardez. Chaque phrase, elles sont explicables.
Classic, you don't have one. Let your core audience stomach that. Didn't tell them where you get your abs from. V12 is a...
Ok, ça j'ai vu sur Twitter. Let your core audience stomach that didn't tell them where you get your abs from. C'est en gros, il parle, V12 it's a fast one. En gros, il dit que, en gros, Drake, il a fait une liposuction au ventre pour avoir des fausses abdos, en gros. Et le nom de la machine s'appelle V12. Voilà. Il a des fausses abdos, Drake. Il s'est fait une liposuction. Voilà.
Last one. Last one. Headshot for the year. You better walk around like Daft Punk. Remember? Hey, top dog, who the fuck they think they playing with? Extortion, my middle name as soon as you jump off of that plane, bitch. I'm allergic to the lame shit, only you like being famous. Yachty can't give you no swag neither. I don't give a fuck about who you hanging with.
I hate the way that you walk, the way that you talk. I hate the way that you dress.
Surprised she wanted that feature request. You know that we got some shit to address. I even hate when you say the word nigga, but that's just me, I guess.
J'aime même pas quoi. Je déteste même quand tu dis le mot négro. Mais c'est juste moi. Voilà. Il a dit, ouais, j'aime pas quand tu dis ce mot. C'est bizarre quand ça sort de ta bouche. Quand ça sort de ta bouche à toi.
Some shit just cringe-worthy. Ain't even gotta be deep, I guess. Still love when you see success. Everything with me is blessed. Keep making me dance, waving my hand, and it won't be no threat. I'm knowing they call you the boy, but where's the man? Cause I ain't seen him yet. Matter of fact, I ain't even bleed him yet. Can I bleed him? When I see you stand by sexy red, I believe you see two bad bitches. I believe you don't like women. It's real competition. You might pop ass with them.
Ah, c'est une dinguerie de dire ça. Il a dit, ouais, quand tu te mets avec Sexy Red, tu te mets en compétition avec elle. T'es la bad bitch que tu penses être. Tu vas twerker avec elle. Oula. Qu'est-ce que tu fais ici? Dévanissez-moi! Mais fais la demande, sale Golemont, Mec, il est con. Au lieu d'aller sur Twitch et de faire la demande pour se faire des bannes, il demande derrière moi, ce gros con.
Show me your splits, I'll make sure I double back with you. You assigned to a nigga that signed to a nigga that said he was signed to that nigga. Try cease and desist on a like that record. Oh what, you ain't like that record? Back to back, I like that record. I'ma get back to that for the record.
Là, il raconte que Drake, il a envoyé une 6 in D6, c'est genre une mention pour faire supprimer un son like that. Le son like that.
Like that record. I'ma get back to that for the record. Why would I call around trying to get dirt on niggas? Y'all thinking my life is rap? That's whole shit. I got a son to raise, but
j'ai un fils à élever.
You don't know nothing about that. Waking them up, no nothing about that. Tell them to pray, no nothing about that. Giving them tools to walk through life like day by day.
Il dit le rap, c'est pas mes affaires. Moi, j'ai un gosse à m'occuper. Mais toi, tu connais pas ça, hein? À part quand Pusha T, il a révélé au monde entier que t'avais un gosse caché.
Know nothing about that. Teaching them morals, integrity, discipline. Listen, man, you don't know nothing about that. Speaking the truth and consider what God's considering. You don't know nothing about that. Ain't 20v1, it's 1v20 if I gotta smack niggas that right with you. Yeah, bring...
Là, il parle de Drake avec ses copywriters. Parce que Drake, il écrit pas ses sons. Il y a plusieurs personnes qui écrivent ses sons avec lui. Il a plein de ghostwriters. Parce que Drake, il disait qu'en gros, il était en 1 vs 20. Il était en 1 vs 20 parce qu'il avait quoi? Il avait J. Cole, il y avait qui sur lui? Enfin, il y avait plein de gens qui étaient sur lui. Il disait Drake, il était en 1 vs 20 sur son son d'IA, là.
Clean him out too, tell Bean that he better stay right with you. Am I battling ghosts or AI? Nigga feeling like Joel Austin. Funny he was in the
ouais, Futur, Métro, tout ça. Rick Ross, The Weeknd. Non, pas J. Cole.
They can't imitate this violence. What I learned is niggas don't like the West Coast, and I'm fine with it. I'll push the line with it. Pick a nigga off one at a time with it. We can be on a 3-hour time difference. Don't speak on the family, Crody.
Crody, c'est le nom du père de... C'est qui Crody? Alors, un slang, which is creep slang for Brody. Ah, ok. No.
Can get deep in the family, Crody. Talk about me and my family, Crody. Someone go bleed in your family, Crody. I be at Newhall King eating fried rice with a dip sauce and a blammy, Crody. Tell me your cheesing farm. We can do this right now on the camera, Crody. Hey, fuck y'all niggas, I don't trust y'all niggas. I wave one finger and thump y'all niggas like, Phil go punt y'all niggas, they punk y'all niggas. Nobody never took my food. Whoever that's fucking with them, fuck you niggas and fuck the industry too. If you take it there, I'm taking it further. Psst, that's something you don't wanna do. Ooh.
We don't wanna hear you say nigga no more. We don't wanna see you say nigga no more. Stop. Les gars, j'ai le droit de dire le N-word. Ok. Et du coup, bon, il y a eu un son entre les deux où Kendrick, il a redrop. Mais Drake, il a drop hier. J'ai vu quelques trucs dont ça parlait sur Twitter. J'ai vu qu'aussi, il avait répondu 1 heure après Kendrick. J'ai vu que Kendrick avait répondu 1 heure après le son.
Maybe in this song, you shouldn't start by saying...
Nigga, I said... I know that you mad. I've emptied the clip over friendlier jabs. You mentioned my seed and I deal with his dad. I gotta go bad. Yeah, draw. AC. You know who really bang except my nigga YG. You know who really bang except my nigga Chuck T. You know who even bang except out there CB. And nigga Cole losing sleep on this, it ain't me. You better have some paperwork or that shit fake T. Can't be rapping about no ratting that we can't. Niggas, bitches gotta drive 2 hours for you pay them just to give a blowjob. Nigga must have started up a snowball cause my...
On parle de qui là? Bitches gotta drive 2 hours for you, pay him just to give him a blowjob.
Niggas, bitches gotta drive 2 hours for you pay him just to give a blowjob. Nigga must have started up a snowball cause my last record deal was 400 M's. These days that's a low bar, nigga. Hey, who's next on the list? Which one of my so-called niggas? Which one of my so-called niggas? Which one of my so-called niggas need a sheriff on the clip? Always knew I had to smoke y'all niggas. Good kid, Mad City van, we'll pot the latch and make the door slide. Tears running down my cheek, laughing at you pussy dying, it's a war cry. Weekend music getting played in all the spots where boys got a little more pride. That's why all your friends dip into Atlanta paying just to find a tour guide. Able run your fucking bread, need to buy some more chains for some more guys. Let me find another street nigga I could take to the game court side. Let me get a used Ferrari for a rapper, take the nigga on a horse ride. Anything to take a spotlight off the fact the boss is a drugged out little punk sissy from the north side. Rock him talking shit again. Gas cause you hit my BM first, nigga do the math who I was hitting in. I ain't even know you rap still cause they only talking about your fit again. Probably gotta have a kid again for you think of dropping any shit again. Even when you do drop, they gon' say you should've modeled cause it's mid again. Smoking 50 but they should've put you on the first one trying to get it in. Ask Spring if this a good idea the next time you cut it in a bed again. Shit, leave it tell you leave the boy alone before you get your head split again. Pluto shit made me sick to my stomach, we ain't never really been through it. Lil Wayne, he a fucking lame, so I know he had to be an influence. These niggas had a plan and they finally found a way to rope you into it. 2 separate albums dissing, I just did a Kim to it, nigga skim through it. Me and Savage had the hose dripping wet at shows, almost had to swim to it. K-Dot shit is only hitting hard when Baby King put his pen to it. Ross calling me the white.
Il dit que... Attends, là il est en train de dire que Kendrick il se fait écrire ses textes par son cousin là? Par Baby Kim? Attends, on va aller sur Genius. Sinon je vois des trucs, mais il y a plein de trucs que je connais pas parce que... Bah je connais pas en fait. Attends, hop. K-Dot. Baby. Ok. Claim that Baby Kim ghostwrite Kendrick, ouais, c'est ça, ouais. And the only time Kendrick, ok. Ouais, en gros, il dit que Baby Kim a plusieurs, ouais, il a coécrit plusieurs des sons de Kendrick. Par exemple, Kim est crédité sur le son N95, mais pas, il n'y a aucune feature, juste des adlibs. C'est possible que Kim soit crédité uniquement parce qu'il a fait des adlibs. Par contre, Drake, ouais, en gros, Drake il dit... En gros, il a pas de preuves, en vrai. En vrai, il n'y a pas de preuves. Et je pense que, honnêtement, je pense pas que... Je pense qu'il écrit ses textes, Kendrick. No suceur, je pense que Kendrick écrit ses textes. Le principe d'un ghostwriter, c'est de pas créditer le mec qui écrit. Si, ghostwriter, c'est juste t'es dans l'ombre, en fait, c'est tout. Juste t'écris dans l'ombre, mais t'es crédité.
To it. Ross calling me the white boy and the shit kinda got a ring to it. Cause all these rappers waving white flags while the whole fucking club sing to it. Murder scene on your man tonight, then come to vigil with the candlelight. Body at the fucking body and you know Rick reading my Miranda rights. I'm going on vacation, I hope next time y'all plan it right. Cause you gotta pay for saying my name. Guess now niggas understand the price, man. What?
New Hawking.
Hey, Kendrick just opened his mouth. Someone go hand him a Grammy right now. Where's your uncle at? Cause I wanna talk to the man of the house. West Coast niggas do phase, right? Come get this ass whooping, I'm handing them out. You wanna take off for real? Then come get his legacy out of my house. A cease and desist is for hoes. Can't listen to lies that come out of your mouth. You caught a 2-pack of steak and beg them to sue me and get that shit down. I'm losing perspective on beat.
Là, Kendrick, il dit... Drake, il dit que Kendrick... Il aurait appelé les gens qui s'occupent de Tupac pour qu'ils portent plainte contre Drake. Est-ce que c'est vrai ça? Ça c'est vrai ça.
Boy went to send beat and I kill you for fun. Your daddy got robbed by Top. You stunning and Wayne like father like son. Anthony set up the plays. Kojo be charging you double for none. They shook about what I'ma say, but texting your phone like we already won. You tell me what I shouldn't say. But fucking my nigga, it's already done. We already know it's a 20v1. We already know why you went #1. It's clearly because of the boy. The honorable thing is to give me the loot.
What?
You right about fuck the big three. It's only Big D and it's video proof. My son thing is to give me the loot. You right about fuck the big three.
Fuck the big three, c'est only Big D, donc il parle de sa beat, et il y a les preuves vidéo.
It's only Big D and it's video proof. My son should go play at the park. Two light-skinned kids, the shit would be cute. Unless you don't wanna be seen with anyone that isn't blacker than you. We get it, we got it. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. We get that you like to put gin in your juice. We get that you think that you bishop and juice. When you put your hands on your girl.
Ouh.
You like to put gin in your juice. We get that you think that you bishop and juice. When you put your hands on your girl.
Quand tu poses tes mains sur ta meuf, en gros, quand tu la frappes, en gros. Est-ce que c'est de la self-défense parce qu'elle est plus balèze que toi?
Defense cause she bigger than you. Your back is up against the curb. You digging for dirt, she be digging for proof. Why did you move to New York? Is it cause you live in that bachelor life? Proposed in 2015, but don't wanna make her your actual wife. I'm guessing this wedding ain't happening right, cause we know the girls that you actually like. The darkest secrets are coming to light. It's all on your face.
Attends, là, il est en train de dire... Eh, ça me fume. Ça me fume. Ça me fume. Là, il dit qu'en gros, il a proposé sa meuf en 2015, il l'a toujours pas mariée. Et là, il dit quoi? Il dit, ouais, on sait les meufs que t'aimes. Il dit que Kendrick, il aime les blanches, c'est ça qu'il est en train de dire? Il aime les blondes aux yeux bleus? Ah ouais, moi, c'est ce que je comprends ça se trouve, c'est pas ça, mais moi, c'est ce que je comprends.
It's all making sense. Maybe I'm Prince and you actually Mike. Michael was praying his features would change, so people believe that he's actually white. Top would make actually Mike.
Mike was preach. Praying his features, ça veut dire quoi? Changer son visage, quoi. Praying his features. Il modifiait son visage pour que les gens y croient qu'il est vraiment blanc.
Michael was praying.
Ouais, changer ses traits, ouais. Changer ses traits du visage, ouais.
And his features would change, so people believe that he's actually white. Top will make you do features for change. Get on pop records and rap for the whites. And wait, you say your brother Jermaine, but you only him to stay out of the light. Oh shit, just follow me, right? Cause nothing you saying could bother me, right? I get off the plane and nothing has changed. I headed to Delilah with all of my ice. Headed to Delilah with all of my ice. Headed to Delilah.
C'est qui Delilah? C'est le nom de sa meuf? Ah, Heads the Delilah. Ah, ok, c'est LA, ok.
All of my ice. This shit gotta be over by now for anyone out here that's calling it right. You're dead.
You're dead.
You're dead.
You're dead.
There's nowhere to hide, there's nowhere to hide, you know what I mean.
Beau diamant.
They hired a crisis management team to clean up the fact that you beat on your queen, the picture you painted. They hired a crisis.
Ils ont engagé une team de gestion de crise pour cacher le fait que t'as frappé ta reine.
Crisis management team to clean up the fact that you beat on your queen, the picture you painted ain't what it seemed. You did.
You did. You did. Ok. Ok, et là, c'était 1 heure plus tard. Bon, attends. Est-ce qu'il y a des trucs... Attends. Drake... Parce que j'ai la flemme de chercher moi-même. Je vais pas vous mentir, ça prendrait des heures. Est-ce qu'il y a un mec qui a fait un truc bien, genre? Donc ça, on avait compris. Drake prétendait le début que Kendrick Lamar a battu sa femme en la mentionnant. Tu es le messie noir qui a poussé une reine métissée. Et la crème à la vanille pour t'aider à avoir de l'estime de soi. Je sais pas ce que tu vas faire, mais je sais pas ce que tu vas faire. Ils ont engagé une équipe de gestion de crime pour le faire, ok. Pire encore, Drake balance une bombe en affirmant que le manager de Kendrick Lamar est le père d'un de ses enfants. What? Ça je l'ai pas vu. J'ai entendu dire que l'un de ses petits-enfants pourrait être celui de Dave Free. Simple méchanceté avec un mensonge à la clé, très probable. Des paroles violentes qui ne sont pas prêtes d'être terminées, puisque le rappeur canadien va directement s'en prendre à ses autres ennemis et en premier lieu à A$AP Rocky, nana, ok. Rakim Myers a fait allusion à sa relation avec Rihanna alors qu'A$AP Rocky aurait eu une relation avec la mère du bébé de Drake en train de rapper. Avec la mère du bébé de Drake? La mère du bébé de Drake. aurait une relation avec la mère du bébé de Drake en train de rapper. What? Ah, la meuf de Drake, là, la panstar, là? Ok. La mère d'Adonis, ok. Ah ouais, mais en fait, regardez les traductions. La mère du bébé, ils disent baby mama. Genre, traduction de baby mama, ils disent la mère du bébé. Ah ouais, vas-y, abusé. Tout comme sur Push Up, Drake s'en est pris à The Weeknd. La musique de The Weeknd est jouée dans un endroit où le garçon a un peu plus de fierté, ça on avait vu. A$AP Rocky, The Weeknd et Kendrick ne sont pas les seules personnes auxquelles Drake a répondu. Il a également des mots violents pour Future et Metro en critiquant leur album récent. La merde de Pluton meurt mal à l'estomac. Ok. Drake a également pris le temps de répondre à son collaborateur Rick Ross qui l'a harcelé sans relâche sur les médias sociaux et là sur la chanson Champagne's Moment. Ok, oui c'est vrai que Rick Ross il parlait du nez de Drake, il disait qu'il avait fait une rhinoplastie. Ok, et là juste une heure après il a sorti ça. Et Kendrick était au courant que il allait drop et il avait déjà préparé son son. C'est pour ça que vous voyez... Enfin, vous voyez... Attends, Kendrick, il a sorti ça sur son Insta. Alors, il y avait un autre son de, je crois, 3 minutes qu'il a sorti, je sais plus combien de temps il durait. Sur la veille, et ensuite il a sorti ça une heure après. Boum. Ok, j'écoute. Ah merde, il me faut les lyrics.
Dear Adonis, I'm sorry that man is your father. Let me be honest. It takes a man to be a man.
Adonis, c'est le fils de Drake, hein, pour ceux qui savent pas. Son fils qui de base était illégitime, et quand il s'est embrouillé avec Pusha T a balancé au monde entier qu'il avait un gosse. Et maintenant, du coup, maintenant tu le vois son gosse. Mais avant, il était caché, le gosse de Drake.
It's not responsive. I look at him and wish your grandpa would have wore a condom. I'm sorry that you gotta grow up and then stand behind him. Life is hard, I know. The challenges always go beat us home. Sometimes our parents make mistakes that affect us until we grown. And you're a good kid that need good leadership. Let me be your mentor, since your daddy don't teach you shit. Never let a man piss on your leg, son. Either you die right there or pop that man in the head, son. Never fall in the escort business, that's bad religion. Please remember.
Never find this.
You could be a bitch even if you got bitches. Never code switch, whether right or wrong. You're a black man, even if it don't benefit your goals. Do some push-ups, get some discipline. Don't cut.
Attends, là, il est en train de lui faire une leçon de vie, genre en mode comment il doit se comporter et tout, genre. Comment il doit se comporter dans la vraie vie et tout, genre. Ah ouais, il dit, ouais, ton daron, il a pas fait le taf, c'est moi qui vais devoir le faire, en gros. Ouais, je sais, il parle à son fils.
Don't be ashamed about who you with, that's how he treats your moms. Don't have a kid to hide again, be sure. 5% will comprehend, but 95 is lost. Be proud of who you are. Your strength come from within. A lot of superstars, that's real, but your daddy ain't one of them. And you nothing like him. You'll carry yourself as king. Can't understand me right now. Just play this when you 18. Dear Sandra, your son got some habits, I hope you don't undermine them. Especially with other girls that's hurt inside this climate. You're a woman, so you know how it feels to be in alignment with emotion, hoping a man can see you and not be blinded. Dear
Sandra, c'est la mère de Drake, du coup.
You gave birth to a master manipulator.
Ouais.
Even using you to prove who he is a huge favor. I think you should ask for more paper, and more paper, and more paper. I'm blaming you for all his gambling addictions, psychopath intuition, the man that liked to play victim. You raised a horrible fucking person. The nerve of you, Dennis. Sandra, sit down. What I'm about to say is heavy. Now listen. Your son's a sick man with sick thoughts. I think niggas like him should die.
Wesh.
Weinstein should get fucked up in a cell for the...
Him and Weinstein should get fucked up in a cell for the rest of their life. Harvey Weinstein, c'est le pédophile, là? Le producteur pédophile? Oula. Ok, ça va loin, là.
The rest they life. He hates black women, hypersexualize them with kinks of a nympho fetish. Grew facial hair because he understood being a beard just fit him better. He got sex offenders on OVO that he keep on the money.
il a des agresseurs sexuels on OVO, c'est son label, qui garde dans son label et qui les paye. Un enfant ne devrait jamais être... un enfant devrait toujours être en sécurité et il garde ses enfants autour de ces mecs-là, en gros.
Allowance. A child should never be compromised, and he keeping his child around him. And we gotta raise our daughters knowing there's predators like him lurking. Fuck a rap battle, he should die so all of these women can live with a purpose. I've been in this industry 12 years, I'ma tell y'all one little secret. There's some weird shit going on, and some of these artists be here to police it. They be streamlining victims all inside of their home and calling them tender. Then leak video here to police it. They be streamlining victims all inside of their home and calling them tender.
They be streaming on run vixing on inside of their home and calling them Tinder. Then leak videos of themselves to further push this agenda. J'ai compris. En gros, 100, ouais, 100 personnes, j'ai compris. Mais en gros, ce que j'ai vu, ça, c'est le seul truc que j'ai vu sur Twitter. C'est qu'en gros, il a son propre Tinder, Drake, c'est ça?
Then leak videos of themselves to further push their agendas. To any woman that be playing this music, know that you're playing your sister. Or better yet, selling your niece. To the weirdos, not the good ones. Cat Williams, I gave you the truth, so I'ma get mines. The embassy about to get raided too, it's only a matter of time. Hey, Lil Bron, keep the family away. Hey, Curry, keep the family away. To anybody that embody the love for their kids, keep the family away. They looking at you too, if you standing by him. Keep the family away. I'm looking to shoot through any pervert that lives. Keep the family safe. Dear baby girl, I'm sorry that your father not active inside your world.
Ouah, là il parle d'un Dear baby girl, I'm sorry that your father not active inside your world. Il est en train de parler d'un gosse illégitime là? Parce qu'il a un seul fils pour l'instant, c'est Adonis, hein.
He don't commit to much but his music, yeah, that's for sure. He a narcissist, misogynist, living inside his songs. Try to destroy families rather than taking care of his own. Should be teaching you timetables or watching Frozen with you. Or at your 11th birthday, singing poems with you.
Et il dit qu'elle a 11 ans. Bon, je sais pas si c'est fake, on verra après.
Instead, he being Turks, paying for sex and popping perks, examples that you don't deserve. I want to tell you that you're loved, you're brave, you're kind. You got a gift to change the world and can change your father's mind. Cause our children is the future, but he lives inside confusion. Money's always been illusion, but that's the life he's used to. His father probably didn't claim him neither. History do repeats itself, sometimes it don't need a reason. But I would like to say it's not your fault that he's hiding another child. Give him grace, this the reason I made Mr. Morale. So our babies like you can cope later. Give you some confidence.
Et il dit qu'elle s'appelle Grace, du coup, la petite.
Mr.
Grace.
Morale.
Merde. Grace. Pumping Perks. Allez, je dors tard, te faire de ça. Ok.
So our babies like you can cope later. Give you some confidence to go through something. It's hope later. I never want to hear you chasing men cause it's felt behavior. Sitting in the club with...
T'as mal compris. Comment ça, j'ai mal compris?
Sugar daddies for validation. You need to know that love is eternity and trumps all pain. I tell you who your father is, just play this song when it rains. Yes, he's a hit maker, songwriter, superstar, right? And a fucking dead beat that should never say more life. Meet the Grams.
Ah, je croyais qu'il parlait d'un blaze. Okay, bon.
Dear Hybrid, I know you probably thinking I wanted to crash your party, but truthfully I don't have a hating bone in my body. This supposed to be a good exhibition within the game, but you fucked up the moment you called out my family's name. Why you had to stoop so low to discredit some decent people? Guess integrity is lost when the metaphors doesn't reach you. And I like to understand cause your house was never a home. 37 but you showing up as a 7-year-old. You got Gambling problems, drinking problems, pill popping and spending problems, bad with money, whorehouse, soliciting women problems. Therapy's a lovely start, but I suggest some ayahuasca, strip the ego from the bottom. I try to empathize with you, cause I know that you ain't been through nothing. Crave entitlement, but wanna be like so bad that it's puzzling. No dominance. Let's recap moments when you didn't fit in. No secret handshakes with your friend. No culture cachet to binge. Just disrespecting your mother. Identities on the fence. Don't know which family will love you. The skin that you living in is compromised in personas. Can't channel your masculine even when standing next to a woman. You a body shamer. You go hide them baby mamas, ain't you? You embarrassed of them. That's not right. That ain't how mama raised us. Take that mask off. I wanna see what's under them achievements. Why believe you? You never gave us nothing to believe in. Cause you lied about religious views. You lied about your surgery. You lied about your accent and your past tense. All is perjury. You lied about your ghost riders. You lied about your crew members. They all prison. You lied on them. I know they all got you in them. You lied about your son. You lied about your daughter, huh? You lied about them other kids that's out there hoping that you come. You lied about the only artist that can offer you some help. Fuck a rap battle. This a long life battle with yourself.
Eh B. Eh B, il y a beaucoup de trucs, hein. Il y a beaucoup de trucs, hein. Il parle, bah du coup, le truc principal, c'est qu'il parle d'un gosse... d'un gosse qu'il aurait eu avec une meuf et plusieurs baby mama cachés et d'autres enfants cachés. Mais il parle d'un enfant de 11 ans. Et est-ce que c'est réel, ça, cette histoire d'enfant de 11 ans? Parce que j'ai aussi vu qu'à Skip, c'était fake. Attends. Drake. Torte. Regardez Twitter. Twitter est le meilleur endroit. Le meilleur endroit. Drake addressing no serious but the daughter allegation. Fuck you, cheating, BS, cousin fucker, sister hopper, small dick, 30 second elastic, broke ass. Broke? Drake qui a... donc, ok. Attends. Kendrick. Drake, tu es un pédophile et tu as une fille cachée. Drake, je n'ai pas de fille cachée. Oh putain. Drake, la fille de Drake, Turks and Caicos, qui est forcée d'avoir des tresses collées un jour avant que Drake l'annonce. Attends, du coup, ok. Drake denies having a second daughter in his Instagram story. Ok, bon, ça, du coup, il dit que c'est faux. Ok, bon, après le reste, il y a beaucoup de trucs. World. Alors, une source proche de TMZ affirme que Drake ne possède pas de deuxième enfant, contrairement à ce qu'affirme Kendrick dans son track. Ok. Putain, j'ai écouté ça. En vrai, si c'est TMZ qui le disent, moi j'y crois. Alors, si Drake n'a pas vraiment une deuxième fille, ça invalide toutes les choses que Kendrick a dit dans son 10. Drake a envoyé une taupe pour envoyer des fausses infos, pour le bait en les utilisant, et maintenant il apparaît stupide. Ouais. Vous les fans de Kendrick ou grasping at straws, je sais pas comment ça veut dire. Grasping at straws, je sais pas. Et la pédophilie du coup, ouais.
Ça va, Melchior?
Oula, salut Kumo.
T'es sûr que tu